In a recent announcement, Lagos State Governor Babajide Sanwo reveals that the state has successfully secured additional trains, known as rolling stock, for the Blue Line and Red Line rail operations. This exciting development aims to bring much-needed relief to millions of Lagos residents. The decision to acquire this rolling stock was based on extensive research conducted by the team, taking into account the unique requirements of a mega city like Lagos. These new rolling stocks are scheduled to arrive at different times throughout the year, with the tireless effort of the team and collaboration with their partners. During a recent meeting with the president and management of the China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation in Beijing, China, Governor Sanwo reaffirms his unwavering commitment to completing the second phase of the Blue Line project and initiating the commercial operation of the Red Line rail project. Governor Sanwo emphasizes Lagos' focus on improving the commuting experience for all citizens, reducing traffic congestion, and enhancing the overall quality of life in the city. Governor Sanwo also highlighted the completion of Phase 1 of the Blue Line, which has already seen a significant rise in passenger traffic. The commitment to the second phase remains steadfast, with the goal of completing it within the current term.
For more on well-researched and balanced stories, events and interviews across business, tech innovation and lifestyle, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, www.youtube.com/digivationnetwork.